welcome to the Financial Report. Hong Kong stocks finished slightly higher today in line with advances in regional markets. The Hang Seng Index gained 37 points to close at 22,820. Turnover was $54 billion. A strong finish on Wall Street helped lift the financial and energy sectors, although property stocks fell after the government imposed extra stamp duties on new property transactions. Now let's have a look at some of today's most active stocks. AIA is up by 35 cents, CCB is up by 3 cents, and HSBC Holdings is up by 35 cents. Sun Hung Kai Properties is down by $1.60, ICBC is up by 3 cents, and Cheung Kong is down by 70 cents. Taking a look at the Hong Kong dollar exchange rates, the US dollar stands at 7.75, the pound sterling is at 11.75, the Japanese yen is at 8.27, the euro is at 10.29, and 100 Hong Kong dollars will give you 80.37 renminbi. In overseas markets, the London FTSE is up by 37 points at 6,372, and London gold is trading at $1,593 and 85 cents an ounce. In Frankfurt, the DAX is up by 162 points at 7,824. And in Paris, the CAC is up by 49 points at 3,756. And that's Monday's Financial Report. Join me for the main news after the break.